welcome back to another video from MBMRC. This is Brian. Before we get too far into today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and explain to you what we're doing here. This is a 16cc gas engine from Valley View RC. We've brought them up in a couple of our other videos. Right here is how you can get a hold of them. If you want to, you can go ahead and pause that in case you have any questions or you want to check them out yourself. Definitely good products from what we've had from them. We've got a couple engines from them, a couple other things, and they make pretty superior stuff. So we're going to go ahead and tear into this. I believe the price on this engine was $230, somewhere around in there. Okay, so the first thing you get here is your instructions. There's some motor mounts in there for you. Muffler. The ignition module. All the hardware that you need. Looks like a spark plug there. Yep. And the engine itself. There's some red anodized parts on it. And there's not really anybody that does any videos on this that I've been able to find as far as, reviews or anything like that. So we want to do that moving forward. But today, we're just getting it out of the box here. And we're going to put it on the test stand. There's some people that say that you shouldn't run engines on a test stand, but I guess that my question would be then, why do they make test stands? But we're going to go ahead, we're going to cut away to run this on the test stand now, so yeah. So again, as you can see here, we have it set up on the Valley View test stand that he also sells. Again, I'm not sure, there's a couple guys out there that say not to run these gas engines on a test stand, but I guess my question would be, what the fuck do you make a test stand for then, right? So.
All right, you ready? Hold on to that stand.
so far it seems like the 16cc is going to be a hit. I know I'm going to have to answer this in the comments, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to be putting that in my 10cc Ultra Stick here. My dad and my brother have put a RCGF 15cc in their big stick, so I'm going to go ahead and put a 16cc in this Ultra Stick. Currently has an OS 65AX in it, but we're going to put a 16cc in there. One thing I do want to point out with this Valley View, one thing I had noticed, the spark plug that it came with, I'm not sure if the threads were messed up on it or something wasn't right. Fortunately, I did have another one laying around, but the spark plug it came with did not thread incorrectly. So my dad and my brother have gotten quite a bit of stuff from these guys and haven't had that issue. I'm not sure if this guy makes his own spark plugs. I'm assuming that he probably doesn't. He probably has somebody else make them for him. So, but that's something to keep in mind. Definitely check this guy out. Here's his information, and that will also be in the description below for you guys to check out as well. So, quality product, very happy with it. Check it out.